How's it going, Darrell? My name's Quamarian Johnson. I spoke to you earlier in the week in regards to getting you this video on how you can build your online presence and drive more customers to your company. With this video, we're going to go over three things. It's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. And since you offer multiple services, we're going to go through this fairly quickly, but I'll be sure to get into details about everything that you need to help you achieve your goals. Now, starting off with content, Google likes to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words on the home page. Since you currently don't have a website, we're going to go over your competition, which is Clean Start Inc. Scrolling through their website, it looks like they have maybe 250, 275 words on the home page. As well, all these back pages here should have at least 750 to 1,000 words of content. For every 100 words you have, you should have at least one keyword implemented within that. So I looked up house cleaning companies, Albany, Georgia, since there's multiple Albanys in the United States. Now here you have your Google Maps section. This is where your citations come into play. The citation is anywhere you can list your business name, phone number, and address. So Facebook, Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages, Expertise, those sorts of sites. Also, some places also do websites specifically. So for certain citations, all you need is your website and that'll count for you. Scrolling down here is your organic section. This is where your content, citations, and backlinks all come together. So all backlinks aren't created equal. If you have a roofing company referring you as a house cleaning, a car detail, or a lawn care, it's not going to hold as much weight as one of the services you offer. If there's a blog page for that, then that would help you more. So I don't count Angie or Yelp. I skip over those and I go straight to the actual company. So down here, Clean Start Inc. is ranking number 1. And in a second, we'll go over all of their details and how they're ranking, where they're ranking currently. I also looked up car detail company in Albany, Georgia, just to get a feel. Scrolling through here, Google Maps, same situation. Scrolling on down, I did not see any legitimate business. So what I mean by legitimate, I'm meaning small. I don't like to compare small businesses to large corporations because that's an unfair matchup. So I didn't use Hoffman Car Wash or Caliber Car Wash. I decided to go with Pop's Detail Shop since they're ranking number 1 on the Google Maps section. When I looked into Lawn Care Albany, Georgia, similar situation, but I actually did come up with a company. Like I said, we skip over Home Advisor and we skip over Yellow Pages and everything like that. So I pulled up albanylawnmaintenance.com, and now we're going to go over the data and the research behind everything. So this is a tool I like to use. It's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it gives me a good indication on where websites are. So Clean Start is ranking on the first page. They have 19 referring domains or websites, giving them 51 backlinks. So there's 19 websites giving 51 links referring back to their website. With that, they're getting found for 28 organic keywords, and they're getting about 4 searches to their website per month. Moving on over to Pop's Detail Shop. They only have 1 referring domain or website, giving them 1 backlink. They're getting found for 2 organic keywords and not generating any traffic to their website, which is why they're not ranking on the first page, but they have enough citations where they can rank high on the Google Maps section. And now albanylawnmaintenance.com. They have 4 referring domains, giving them 10 backlinks. They're getting found for 12 organic keywords and generating about 3 organic traffic per month. So the reason these numbers are so low for these 3 different companies and these 3 different businesses is that they don't have enough backlinks. They're not getting found for enough keywords, which is why they're not generating much traffic. So the more keywords you have, the more content you have, the more quality backlinks that you have, the higher you rank, the more keywords you get found for, and your traffic will go up. Darrell, I hope you found this informative. My name is Quamarian Johnson once again. I'm going to send you this video right away, and I hope to hear from you soon.